Hello there. Thanks for joining us today. We are Team Unique Not Null, and we are made up of Marisa Fontana, Nick Mullen, and myself, David Willis. For our Fullstack Academy Capstone project, we created a functional full-stack e-commerce website for a fictional gourmet popcorn company called Popped Perfection. To build Popped Perfection, we utilized JavaScript, React, Express, NodeJs, PostgreSQL, HTML, CSS, Stripe to process payments, and Heroku for deployment. I'm going to kick things off by giving a general overview of our site. On the homepage, we have straightforward navigation in our header. A new visitor will see home, products, login, register, and cart. Directly below that, we have an image slider that displays our fresh off the cob featured products below. To see our entire product line, I'm going to go ahead and click on products up here at the top. And we really had a great time researching gourmet popcorn recipes and populating our seed data with product names, descriptions, and reviews. On the product cards, we are able to add a product to the cart and to adjust the quantity. We also see the average reviews score below that for each product. On the left side of the screen, we are able to keyword search or browse products by categories: sweet, savory, my favorite sweet and savory, and we can clear and go back to all products represented. So we are now going to keyword search peanut, where we will see two products, peanut butter chocolate corn and peanut butter jelly time. I am going to go ahead and click on view product details for peanut butter chocolate corn. And when we do so, we can see the reviews in their entirety. And we learn that this is a dangerously sweet treat. At the bottom of this screen, we can also add a review if we'd like. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 bags of peanut butter chocolate corn to my cart, at which point I will pass it off to Nick, who will tell us a bit about the cart and its functionality.
All right, thanks, David. So when the user goes to the cart, we are checking to see if they are a registered user or a guest user. And if they are a registered user, we store the cart in the database. So I can add something to this cart. And then if I log out, it saves it when I log back in. But since I'm logged out, it is going to use local storage for the 2 peanut butter chocolate corns that David added. And then when I log in, it will automatically add that to the cart. So we will have one of the Colorado kettle corn and 2 of the peanut butter chocolate corn. Boom, there it is. From this window, we can remove an item by clicking remove, or we can change a quantity by changing the quantity. From there, proceeding to the checkout through Let's Get Poppin', we can verify our cart and enter the Stripe test card number and a real zip code before pressing pay, and we will have a pop-up down on the bottom that verifies our order. Looks like it's thinking. There we go. And now when we go to our account, since this is an admin, we'll see the admin route up here. But if we go to our account, this will only show this user's their orders. We have the 3 of those peanut butter chocolate corns completed with the date that it was created was 5/17. And that is the cart date. Now we can go into edit account. We can change any aspect of the user. We can edit the user, we can delete the user, and we can return to account or go to home. And I will pass it off to Marisa now to talk about the admin privileges and how they can affect the site. Thank you.
For our admin privileges, users and guests will not see an admin link in the nav bar. When a user with admin status logs in, the admin link will appear. Click on the admin link. It brings us to the admin page with 3 options: all products, all orders, and all users. We started on all products, which has a search field, a form to create a new product, and a list of products with each product represented on its own card with that product's information, an edit and a delete button. We can delete the product from here. We click on edit. It brings us to an edit form where we can edit the product. We can also delete the product from here. Let's go back to products and look at our orders page. We click on orders. We are able to sort the orders and look at them by status of created, processing, completed, or canceled. The admin can also update an order status. And there's the order we just updated. Each order is represented on its own card with that order's information. Let's go to all users. All users has a search field where we can search by name and username. Each user is represented on their own card with that user's information, with a delete user button where we can delete the user, and an edit button where we can edit the user status to be or not to be an admin. And those are our admin privileges. We also used CSS media queries to make our website accessible on smaller screens. So we have a smaller screen, click on the hamburger, and here are all our links. Thank you.
From Marisa, Nick, and myself, thank you for your time, and we sincerely appreciate you viewing our Capstone project. While it was certainly challenging, we truly enjoyed working with each other and all of our classmates throughout our full stack experience. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our developers. Thanks again, and have a great day.